The channel matrix provides a brand new way of viewing and working with the tracks and channels in Pro Tools. Let's check out some of the new features. No more scrolling the mix window, as the bank A to D switches select groups of 32 channels at a time, providing a powerful way to navigate large sessions. Like the Go To switch, the View switch instantly brings up any 8 contiguous channels on the Pro Control faders. The difference is that View mode is latching, so you can continue to select channel numbers. The Go To switch is great after you become familiar with your session and you want to go right to a specific channel. The View switch, on the other hand, is better when you're looking for a specific track or you're not yet familiar with the exact location of tracks within a large session. The Status section lets you view and perform functions like solo, mute, and record ready. Press the Solo switch and press number 1 to solo the drums group and 5 to solo the bass. Unsolo everything by pressing Clear All. The same can be done with the Mute, Select, and Record Ready buttons. The Channel Matrix buttons can also be used to type in names. Let's rename the bass track by double-clicking its Channel Select button. The familiar dialog box appears in Pro Tools, and the Alpha switch flashes, indicating the channel matrix now enters alphanumeric characters. Type in the name and hit the Enter button in the Pro Control keypad or the computer keyboard. Also, the group switches allow you to create, select, edit, and suspend groups using the channel matrix primary switches. Pro Control is much faster than using a mouse and keyboard. There's a lot more functionality that the channel matrix provides, like with automation and plugins to name 2, so be sure to check out the Pro Control manual for more features.